Hey guys, thank you for downloading the Creative Color Grading Packs. I'm going to walk you through installing these profiles into Adobe Lightroom CC for Windows. This is not for Classic CC, just regular Lightroom CC. First thing you want to do is make sure you're on a version 1.5 or newer. And the way you can check this is by going to the Help menu at the top and then down to About Lightroom CC. And then right here it should show you which version you're working with. 1.5 or later should work with this installation method. If you need to upgrade, you can go to the same Help menu and then just go down to Updates and do it that way. Otherwise, if you're on an older system, we will make a different video on how to install them. So once we're in Adobe Lightroom CC here, you want to go to your Edit menu, which is over here on the right. You'll see this little icon with the sliders. You can open that, or you can use shortcut E. And once we're in there, you want to go to Profile. And from Profile, you want to click Browse. Now right here at the top right of this menu, there'll be 3 dots, and you want to click that, and then go down to Import Profiles. Now from here, it's going to open up this File Explorer over here, and what you want to do is just locate your Downloads folder. So I'm on my desktop, see the Master Collection, and then you can see all those XMP files again. Now in the master collection, it shows all of those XMP files in the same folder. You may have downloaded one pack, in which case you'll only have 10 of these. But either way, those XMP files are what you want to actually install. So in this case, I'm going to click one and highlight all of them by doing Control A and then click Import. Great. All right, now those are imported. I'm going to minimize this favorite section. And then you can see each pack is right here. We have candy cigarettes. We have cocaine roller derby. And then within each pack, there's 10 profiles. You can just hover over these to see instant previews. And then once you see something you like, you can just click it. And then go back out of profile. So once you have your profile selected, you can control the intensity right here with the slider. It's pretty simple. So that is how to install those in Adobe Lightroom CC 1.5 or newer on Windows. Make sure you back up your files from your download folder. Mine's here on my desktop. You should back that up on a separate drive in case you need to ever update your computer or reinstall Lightroom, whatever that may be. Back that up. Thanks for downloading.